Okay, so the exercises that we're gonna be doing today are pretty simple, and the reason why I'm doing the video is because when I got home from the hospital, I couldn't find no videos on YouTube on doing, you know, simple therapy for therapy at home, because I know once you're inpatient in the hospital, it's kind of hard once you leave the hospital and then you go home, because you don't have as much therapy as you would have in the hospital. So, you know, you don't want to get weak once you're home. So these are a couple of exercises that they did taught me. I can't move my fingers yet, but this is a simple exercise that you could do. Okay, so you can have somebody extend your finger like so, or you could do one by one, and then the other one, and like so. It's pretty simple and it really does help. Or other things that you could try, just think about moving your fingers, and eventually you will. I still can't move my fingers. It's been like it's gonna be about 2 months that I had my accident. I had a C5 injury and I can't move my fingers that much, but I mean, just send the signal. Just think about moving your fingers, and in the end, you'll end up moving your fingers. You know, as long as you're sending those signals to your fingers and you're feeling them, it's gonna be all right. I had an incomplete injury, so as you can see on my legs, I can move them a little bit, and it's pretty amazing because it takes like people years or months for them to move them, and it's only been like a month and a half since I had my accident. I still have my collar on, so I think I'm gonna have it for like 2 more months or something like that. And then other exercises that are pretty simple as well, because I know my triceps are really weak and my arms are getting super skinny. It's just have some, and then up, more up, and then down. And then other ones that you could try. Move the pillow with me. Other ones, well, not actually exercise it, but don't forget to stretch, because if not, your spasms will get worse. Okay, so this is one exercise, and then have them pull, and you can feel the resistance, and then just let the other person know whenever they stop. She can still go up, so she can still lift up my leg. And as soon as you feel your hamstrings pulling, that's whenever you need to stop, because you don't want to overstretch them, because if not, you know, your spasm will get worse. That's another one. Or you could do this in bed as well. And then down, and then up. And at the same time that they're doing the exercise, think about it, so you can send the signals down to your body. Or other ones, if you have the return of your legs already, you could also then just think about kicking. Or if, you know, you don't have anybody at your house, just if you're just sitting in your wheelchair like that, just kick. And just think about kicking, and that's pretty. Whenever I used to pick up a strawberry, I used to feel like if I was lifting weights, but now it's like better. So the more you practice, the better it is as well. Just grab things from the dollar store and get them from one place to another and put it in a bucket. Or also you get like little putty, therapy putty or Play-Doh. It helps you. You know, just play with it so you can move your hands better, and that's what's been helping me to get my fingers stronger. And then I think I'm pretty much done. Okay, so whenever you have a spinal cord injury, you pretty much go back to being a baby, because I mean, you learn how to walk, you learn how to, you know, do a lot of stuff that were so simple to you back then, you know. But it's good to have like little toys that can help you move your fingers and get your arms stronger. I've been using this little cube, and it's been helping me. I mean, at first I couldn't move it at all, and now I can.
Thank you for watching my video, guys. See ya. Don't wanna be ya.